So we created our action with a payload. Back in the reducer, we can now take advantage of this by being clear about the type of our action. It's no longer of type action from NGRX store. Instead, I want to import everything I export from my shopping list actions file. I'll store it in a shopping list actions variable basically. Import star as will bundle all exports from that file in one JavaScript object. So I need to point to that file. It's the shopping list actions file without .ts. With that I can say that action will be shopping list actions and their shopping list actions. So shopping list actions here, that's all the exports from that file. Shopping list actions here is actually my own type, this one. So that's the part after the dot here. With that, I can simply check the case by reaching out to my shopping list actions, so this import here, and there I'm interested in one specific action, the add ingredient constant, because case should check a string because the type will be a string, and we stored the string name of that action in this add ingredient constant. So just to kind of reiterate this because it can be confusing, here we define a unique identifier for this action. Then we create a class where we take advantage of this unique identifier by assigning it to the type and by making sure that this class may have a payload. And then we simply bundle all types in this shopping list actions type here, which will become more important later. In the reducers, we know that the action will be one of these bundled types, and we can then check the individual types by using this string, because that is what we assign to type here. So now we know we want to add an ingredient and we know we have a payload, so now we can simply access action payload here without getting an error. Now that was quite complicated just to add a new ingredient to the array, but the cool thing about using reducers and NGRX in general is that once you get the basics set up, and we're still in this part unfortunately, once you have it set up, it's super easy to work with it and you can quickly change and adjust stuff. So with that, we got our reducer almost finished. I'll add another case here, the default case for now. Oops, I should do this inside the switch statement though. Default, and it's in the default case where I want to return just the state. Now with that, I got the reducer finished, we got some actions. Now it's time to register this reducer in our app so that we can actually use it. And it's time to also make sure, or to also add the, possibility of dispatching an action. Let's work on these steps next.